Hi guys, so today I have Huda Beauty's new launches, which is Easy Blur Primer Foundation and Powder. So I'm starting with the primer. I was expecting it to be more on a silicone smoothing side, but it just blends into the skin. And I don't know what it does, but it doesn't really fill out your fine lines or gives your skin a smooth effect. I looked closely. I thought it will be like your regular smoothing primers, but it is moisturizing, which is good. But then, what I have seen on social media, it is actually pretty mattifying. That's the reason why I moisturize my skin very well before applying the primer. I applied it under my eyes where I mostly struggle with fine lines. I looked closely in the mirror and I still couldn't see much difference on both the sides. So I'm clueless. It might not have worked for me. I'm trying to finish the other side of my face as well. Sometimes what happens is one product doesn't really work for all. So probably that's the case with this one. Because I do not see it blurring my skin or smoothing anything out. I have received three shades of foundations and I thought I do not have my shade here because I am close to Huda's foundation shade, which is way down on the spectrum here. But I am using Amirati, which looked like a good match. It was pretty yellow. And the formula of Easy Blur foundation is pretty thin, which is really surprising because Huda Beauty's products are generally on thicker, full coverage side. This brush was mind blowing. It was very, very soft, very dense. It picked and blended the product very quickly. So, initially, when I applied, I thought it's going to be very light. I wouldn't have minded a shade darker than this, to be honest. But after blending it thoroughly, it kind of blended into my skin very, very well, and it did not look light at all. And I thought it's going to look gray around my mouth, which did not happen. The foundation has a very, very light formula, but I think you can build it up to full coverage. You just have to layer it up. It is again a mattifying formula. So if you have dry skin, you really have to make sure you have prepped your skin very, very well. It is very, very lightweight. So it's really good for everyday wear as well. As you can see, it has quickly blended in. It just blended in within seconds. And I really, really loved the foundation's finish. It looks so good and it has this beautiful weightless texture and it just feels so luxurious on the skin and I really enjoyed it. It's going to be one of my favorite foundations whenever I wear foundation for any occasion because it looked really, really good. As you can see, the finish is really skin like. It doesn't look cakey or heavy, unlike the previous foundations of Huda Beauty. I do not powder my face because my skin is very dry, and since primer and foundation both were on mattifying side, I just gave it a go because I have it. So the shade is peach. It smelled so strongly, I don't know, like a perfume, ether. So I applied a very little bit of it under my eyes. I did not need to set because I had applied 4 filter concealer from Huda Beauty, which is like another one of my favorite concealers right now. And this is just to test out the product, and it has actually made my under eye area look almost blurred. As you can see right here, my face looks really smooth, really blurred. So it's going to be a really, really good product if you are trying to pick up foundation for your wedding or if you are a makeup artist and you're looking for foundations that are lightweight. So if you really want to pick one of the new launches, pick the foundation. It will be worth buying and I think it's available online as well as offline. If I find these products online, I'm going to link them in the info box below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.